In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter, group, and sort Notion databases. We'll start with filtering, which is the quickest way to narrow your view to just the items you care about. In your database toolbar, click Filter. From the menu, choose a property, like status, and set your criteria, such as in progress. The moment you apply that filter, your database instantly hides anything that doesn't match. This is great for focus no distractions from completed work or items that aren't relevant right now. Think of filters as your on-demand spotlight, letting you see exactly what matters in the moment. Select Add Advanced Filter to build nested rules with and/or logic. For example, you could show entries where status is in progress, and the date is this month, or use or logic to include multiple acceptable values. Combining conditions allows you to refine your database to very specific scenarios, which is especially helpful in larger teams or complex projects. The key is to be intentional with your logic and narrows results, while or broadens them. Next up is sorting, which controls the order in which your entries appear. Click Sort in the toolbar, pick a property like date, and choose ascending if you want earlier items to show first, or descending if you prefer the latest items at the top. Ascending is perfect for prioritizing upcoming deadlines. Descending is ideal when you want the most recent activity front and center. For more control, add multiple sorting rules. This is called multi-sort. For example, sort first by status, then by date. Notion applies these rules in sequence, so the first sort groups items by their status, and the second sort orders each group by date. Multi-sort helps you create a predictable, meaningful order without manually rearranging entries. Finally, let's organize visually with grouping. Click the three dots in the toolbar, then choose Group. Select a property like status or assignee to automatically organize entries into sections or columns. Depending on your view, this turns your database into an at-a-glance dashboard ideal for workflows like To-Do, In Progress, and Done, or for seeing who's handling what. You can customize groups to keep things tidy. Hide empty groups to reduce clutter and drag groups to reorder them, so the most important sections appear first. This small adjustment can make scanning your database much faster. That's it. Use filters to focus, advanced filters for precision, sorts to control order, and groups to visualize your workflow. Combine them to keep your Notion databases clear, efficient, and perfectly aligned with how you work. Thanks for watching.